And there he is, Big Tex, telling everybody howdy if they are headed out to the state fair. And if you're going this week, expect some great weather as we check in with our meteorologist Mariel Ruiz for some fair weather.
I see what you did there.
I love this time of year. I love when it feels fall-esque. And
yes.
I think we're close enough.
I think we're close enough, especially in the mornings. You know, the afternoons are still going to be on the warm side. But if I were to pick a day to go to the fair this week, it would be today. Just saying.
What are we doing here? Let's go.
Let's go. Out to DVU we go, and we can see here a temperature of 81 degrees. You can see a few more of those clouds kind of rolling in. Blue skies overhead, winds out of the southeast at about 5 to 10. Big Tex casting a shadow, meaning the sun is still out. Temperature of 81 degrees, winds out of the east there about 5. If you are going to be out and about today, ragweed, elm pollen are at a high count, grass pollen is at a moderate, and fungus is at a low count today. So that hasn't changed too much over the past couple of days. So if you've been suffering from allergies, you'll likely still see the same symptoms just because that's not going to change, at least not in the next few days. Here's what will look a little bit different, and why I think today will be the best day to go to the fair. More clouds are going to be rolling in as the day goes on. It's still going to be a warm afternoon. Temperature makes it to 86 degrees around 2, 88 degrees around 4 with a north wind at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Temperatures are then going to drop to the mid 80s around 6, about 80 degrees still at 8, 77 degrees around 10. That cloud cover sticks with us into the overnight hours. A high today near 86 in Denton, 87 for McKinney, and in Fort Worth about 88 in Dallas. A few locations staying in the mid 80s across our western counties where the cloud cover will be more dense. Normal this time of the year is about 85, so we are trending about 3 degrees warmer than that today. And here's a look at how that cloud cover moves in. It first moves in across our western counties, but eventually across the rest of North Texas. I'm not planning on any rain being in the area. Mostly rain-free today, tomorrow, and really the rest of the week. As we head into the overnight hours, though, you'll notice that the cloud cover kind of sticks around. We're not going to get rid of it until tomorrow around mid to late morning. So the weather pattern here is not changing all that much. It's showing you this ridge of high pressure. That's the big heat dome, right? We're not directly under it, so that means no intense heat for us or anything like that. But that not moving is the reason why we'll see lots of sunshine. It's why we also have a gradual warming trend in our forecast for the remainder of the week. And it's also what's going to limit any rain from developing here in the next several days. So our high temperatures, again, will be in the upper 80s today. We'll be at about 89 degrees on Tuesday. That's about 5 degrees warmer than what's considered normal for this time of the year. And then on Wednesday, we'll be in the 90s. 91 degrees on Wednesday, 92 degrees on Thursday, about 91 on Friday. That's about 7 to 8 degrees warmer than normal. An update on the tropics for you. While we are actively staying very quiet, the tropics are actually very active. We have Hurricane Humberto. It's a Category 4 storm and tropical storm Imelda. Now, Humberto not causing any issues over land, but Imelda is bringing in some rain across portions of eastern Florida. And the path is going to be interesting because as Humberto kind of takes a turn out into the northern Atlantic, it's helping pull in Imelda towards the east, so that you can see a really sharp eastward turn there, and that keeps it from making any direct impacts to land, but still heavy rain expected for some parts of eastern Florida as a result. Of course, no local impacts here. We'll be watching our temperatures climb the next several days. We'll be in the low 90s come Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Next week, still looking warm, sunny, highs in the upper 80s with morning lows close to about 70 degrees. Mark?
Thank you for that this morning, Mariel. As we